Hey guys, this is Maria from showysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use fundraiser feature on Instagram post. Instagram users are allowed to organize a fundraiser while creating a feed post. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Choose the feed post option from the pop-up menu. Start uploading a post as you would normally do. Now find the Add Fundraiser section and press on it. Select the nonprofit organization you would like to organize a fundraiser for. Keep in mind that you can change an amount of money you want to raise and currency. After that, hit Done in the upper right corner. The only thing left to do is to share your post on Instagram. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use fundraiser feature on Instagram post. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at showysocial.com.